Hey, so you probably have an idea of what this video is about based on the title and the thumbnail, so I won't go into that too much, but we're almost at Clayton's now, and this might be the last time you guys see the MUSTANG for a long time, forever, something like that. But the plan is right now to wash it, get it on a trailer, and I'll point out some things that I never really told you guys about that I did to it in the past couple months. So let's go with this super fun video that I'm excited to make. So for those that have been asking, it's been in there. Once Clayton's kids' car was ready to, they needed the body, the roller in the garage. They're done working on the engine. This thing had to get out of there, understandably. So it's just been chilling. But I did a couple things under here you guys haven't seen yet. This thing's also getting put away for the year. Okay, let's oh god. Jesus.
Well, when I hit the brakes, the truck kind of went.
The whole trailer moved. I almost lost my balance.
Sure.
You may have to crawl out the back. Yeah. And I might have to crawl through the roof. No more Jimmy for the year.
That's all I gotta do it.
Jimmy Blazer, Tahoe.
This is the saying goodbye to vehicles episode.
Yeah. It's winter, sort of.
Yeah, not quite. But. So I kind of forgot to film before I put the garbage bag on the engine. So there it is, the garbage LS motor. You can look back in previous videos, but I don't know if you guys have seen that wrapped, but yeah, the hot side's all wrapped and looks nice. And then another thing that took forever are the coils, which are hidden back here. I made the brackets and painted them to match the car. They're like super heavy duty overkill, but yeah, they end up fitting nicely and being hidden when you're looking at the engine from over here. So then the spark plug wires will just run down into the spark plugs like that. On this side it'll be hidden because the charge tube will be here. I mean, this is all if I ever finish it, but yeah, I don't know if there's anything else to update you guys on. I'm just gonna give it its first wash in like probably 4 years right now, because it's pretty filthy. Oh, I don't know if you can hear that, but ripping the farts today. Got everything covered with garbage bags because it does leak a little bit. I think mostly from these things, but yeah. Got her all cleaned up, at least cleaner than it's been in probably a number of years. Didn't really detail it, but get the idea. Garbage motor. Yeah, and it only leaked a little bit on the inside, so now we're gonna strap her down and hit the road and take it where it's going.
You're gonna tilt the motor up?
Yeah.
I'll do whatever you want. So just start getting closer to the car, and I'm just holding it, and then you.
There's some spy shots of a video Clayton and Riley are going to be making soon. I didn't have a lot of content today, so I was going to steal some of their clips.
Gonna have to go in back more.
Clayton's just a light guy now.
Just a fluffer.
Yeah, setting up the scene.
Rusty chain.
Dang.
What? The rusty chain. Oh.
Some fancy build over here.
Yeah, it looks nice.
There you go.
Awesome. Yeah, it fits.
That's how a Foxbody should look, guys.
Big cubic inch motors.
That's how a Foxbody should.
Your car hasn't ran since you started your LS, huh?
Yeah,
See,
but
the Ford
that's
would've-
nothing to do with the engine. That could crank over any time.
The Ford would have been, you'd have a glove box full of 7-second slips by now.
See, look, you can tell that the intake is further forward, or the engine, because I can reach the crank sensor, cam sensor, no problem from here.
Yeah.
Which we can't on the shit horse.
Well, side headers on something? I don't know, it might fucking clear. Hard to say. Have a look into the back. About two feet ahead of the rear axle, there's a cross member there.
Yeah, the mystery cross member.
I'm assuming it's factory. No. That's what I was thinking. Was it a factory add-on for a T-top car? Or?
Yeah, that kind of makes sense to me.
No, I would say somebody put that in there. I don't know why, what the reasoning would be for it, but it doesn't. That doesn't look like something.
Well, let us know in the comments if you guys have ever seen that before. It didn't work. I tried to set it up and everything, but we haven't touched this thing yet. Still just sitting here all greasy and pink. We're gonna have to pull the oil pan off first. Go from there.
What are you doing over there?
Just showing them that thing. Talking to myself as usual.
Mike's stealing footage.
I'm
from
stealing
Riley
clips.
and I to fill up his own short
But
video.
you didn't make any
Yeah.
footage.
That's what I said I was going to, and then Mike's like, "I'm gonna have it in my video."
You still could have done
I captured the moment so you guys could enjoy it without having to
Well,
film.
I'm sure everybody that watches all the videos. They
I would
probably
hope they
don't
do.
just watch.
I don't think they do. I don't think they watch all of them.
3/4 of them probably just watch Raw because they can't put up with our bullshit.
No.
I kind of think like Saturday video days should be a thing. I've kind of done it twice or 3 times now.
Yeah.
Just record whatever happens, 'cause it's always something.
In the winter.
Well, in the winter, it's more just being in here working on shit or Rob's garage or our future shop or any of that kind of stuff. Drop a like if you like that idea. So to end the video, if you've made it this far, we'll reward you with some truth. What happened to the Sonic thing, Clayton?
He sold it.
Traded it for a box of cigars.
It's in storage. If you've hung through that, there you go. I just put it in storage today. Did not sell it. I would not sell it until it's complete, because otherwise I'd just be losing money on it. Unless someone gave me a ridiculous offer as is. Hit me in the DMs. But otherwise, yeah, no, I'm gonna finish it. I got it at this point. I mean, it's my first kind of hot rod build
It needs
by
like
myself ski.
$1,000 in parts and it's finished.
Yeah, parts wise, it's not much. It's just a couple things. Finishing that one charge tube. The wiring is basically done. Fuel
I threw
system.
that out though.
The tube?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I imagine
Or
by
you
now.
Sitting in a
Fit
GTO
it
for
onto
so
the
long.
GTO intake.
I know you guys only saw the garbage bag engine today, but it has lots of good parts, that car. You can look back in previous videos. I believe there's even a playlist of the
Am I
car.
supposed to drop this off at Pete's too? This is yours.
This is the exhaust from Nitrous Sonic Stang days. 3.5 inch all the way, baby.
It fell on my foot last week. I almost.
Surprised you didn't kick me in the dick on Wednesday. Oh, look, it's the best product in town.
Wow.
Well, it's just the brake hoses.
I moved it very gently.
Fluid.
It's not gonna hurt them.
I just don't want to keep.
You could even put some in your drink.
The lines, you know what I mean?
Why?
It's safe to drink, Clayton.
I know what you're saying. Yeah.
Drink it, Clayton. See this?
Sitting right on the top.
I moved it very
You can
gently.
clean the rust off if they were in there.
I lifted it up and slowly moved it. Anyway, we're gonna wrap this
In
up.
there later, I guess.
Let's pull one out and have a look.
Okay.
We'll throw a shameless Vaporest
Yeah.
plug in here.
Hashtag Evaporust.
They've been in here 24 hours.
American company.
Oh, just did what I
Yeah.
didn't want to do.
You did.
Oh no.
Oh wow.
Well, the paint is still kind of on, but the rust is all
The
gone.
rust is gone, yeah. Nice. Look at that evaporust.
Yeah, and that's without even touching it. If you like, you know, rub that stuff,
Well,
a
yeah,
bit,
you
it comes
can
off now.
wire
It's
brush
just
it
kind of
down.
like sitting on there like
Well, it's too late now.
film.
Luckily,
I mean,
the
I guess-
evaporust does not harm the rubber or
Components.
anything,
It
so-
actually cleans it.
Well, it does. Yeah.
I might get new brake lines anyway. Hoses, I should say. Or Riley might. This building the cars thing with somebody else's money is awesome.
I think I'll just replace those. Evaporust is still working good.
Yeah, original jug. Good for 500 pounds of steel.
I was gonna say. Yeah.
So not sponsored. But yeah, thanks for watching. The Sonic Stang is not sold. If you made it this far, confirmed. Myth busted. But now it's clean, and that's a big happening. So yeah, we'll see you later. High enthusiasm. Goodbyes, everyone.
Later.
Yeah.
Check you later.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Is that it?
You're done. Cut off. No more.
I said goodbye. No more goodbyes.